1, 2, 3. Of all the money that ever I had, I spent it in good company, and all the harm that ever I've done, at last it was to none but me. In all I've done for want of wit, in memory now I can recall. So fill me to the parting glass. Good night and joy be with you What's up, Jooba people? This video is brought to you by you, the guys who are supporting me on the school community. You can click the link in the description if you want more access to that. And if you want to download this amazing PDF for this lesson, it's got the picking patterns so that when you want to play the song again, you can quickly get the chord shapes that we use in this song, the picking patterns, and the chords and lyrics that are properly edited, not like what you find on Ultimate Guitar. I mean, a lot of stuff is good on Ultimate Guitar, but for this song it wasn't. So you can get that using the link in the description. Excuse me. So let's jump right in with the chords. I'm going to be teaching you just a basic picking pattern and chord accompaniment if you want to sing the song. And then I'm also going to be teaching you that little riff that I played in the intro. That whole fingerstyle piece. Okay, so let's start with the picking patterns and the accompaniment. But before we do that, I'm quickly going to go over the chords. So this is in the key of C. So we use our chords in the key of C collection. So basically C. The Liam Clancy version uses the C/B chord in the intro. But if you're not going to play the intro, then you don't need that chord. So you could do that one or the G/B. I like this one more, the one with the pinky, like Fleetwood Mac. I don't remember exactly how that song goes, but something like that. And then A minor. And then F, you could use little f, bigger F. What I like to use is the one in this picture, which is the one with the thumb. This is the best one, in my opinion. All right, and then the next line of chords, we're going to use this G chord. I like to use this shape when I'm playing in the key of C because it translates nicely to, or shifts nicely to C, which makes it a really nice shape. And then this E minor, because that's the melody that he sings, and it's really nice when you just mimic the melody on your chord shapes. And then this F, we use it. Make sure with this chord to not play the open B string. That's nice if you're Jacob Collier, but even everybody else, it's not that nice. Okay, so this is the F, and then this E minor, and then we're also going to use this D minor. Okay, so pretty simple. And then we have 3 picking patterns that we're going to shift between. The easiest one is the first one, which is P-I-M-I. On an A minor, on a D minor, we're going to go down. On a G, you could go there, or there, or there, depending on how the song goes. So that's a very basic pattern that you can practice, and we're going to use that a lot in the song. And then another one we're going to use just as often is the one that starts with a pinch and then rolls down. So if you have a C chord, you're going to start with a P and M pinch, like that. and then you're going to go down with the rolling pattern. Pretty simple, right? So you could choose between choosing these first two patterns. You can switch between them very easily because they sound very similar. So this is the first one, second one, this first one, second one. Pretty similar, but quite different. So it will help to practice each one separately a few times until you're comfortable with each one, and then kind of move to combining them. All right, so the last one is just this PM pinch with the index finger. And this is especially in the part. Something like that. Okay, so just the that part as well. Whenever we have fast changes, we will use that last pattern. Okay, so let's quickly work on the verse, and then we go from there. Let's just do it with the first pattern, PIMI. Of all the money that ever I had, I spent it in good company, and all the harm that ever I've done. So there, in that third line, I went to the other picking pattern. Of all the harm that ever I've done. So with this G, you don't even have to put the pinky down the bottom because you're not playing the bottom string. Okay, let's go to the fourth line, which is going to be the hardest line. Alas, it was to none but me. So I would first pluck the chords like that. Alas, it was to none but me. Or you could just use normal chords. Alas, it was to that's where you sing it there. For all I've done and want of it in memory now I can recall, or so fill me up the parting glass, good night and joy be. So those are all passing chords, like the F and the G are passing chords. You could go, good night and joy be with you all. Or you could go, night and joy be with you all. That's the second feel to play the song. So if you want to strum it, I'll quickly go over that kind of feel. That's more of the High Kings version, and maybe some Scottish versions also do it like that. But it's that's kind of the feel. And the picking pattern there's PM together. I think the easier way to play it and the more effective way is just to play it. That's better than of all the money that ever I had, I That's a very hard feel to play and sing at the same time. So I would not recommend that to everybody to do it. Okay, but just so you know that that option is there. Okay, now let's quickly do the melody for the introduction of the song. So let's just see. Oh yeah, here's a good link, good view. So it starts with this melody. Let me first teach you the melody, and then we'll do the chords and the melody together. So, okay, again. Okay, so you drop into an A minor chord. So then when you have the G, you need to put the middle finger there. F. Then you need to play this G with the pinky on the second string. Second line, let's put the melody on there. Let's start it from the beginning. Of all the money that I spent it in company. The same thing. That's the hard part. Was to. So, at last it was to none but me. All I've done for what I've see a lot of repetition happening in the song. So fail me to, so fail to me, the parting glass tonight, and joy be with you. There we go. I think that will get you through the whole song. If not, check out my PDF. Make sure to download that. And if you have any questions, let me know in the community. I'll be happy to answer them. Have a nice day. Goodbye.